for the life you give. Thank you for the way you lead. Every breath I breathe in time rests inside your hand divine. Thank you for a love that stays, pouring grace in endless ways. Hearts released to forgive fast as mercy frees us from the past. Thank you for the prayers you teach, daily words within our reach. Listening hearts, attentive ears, meeting needs without applause or cheers. You shape our steps, you draw our days, set our feet in holy ways. Thank you for a life like Christ, truth-lit days and darkness sliced. Every step aligned with grace, every breath reflects your faith. Not my strength, not what I bring, but every good you're offering. This is how your love is known, a life that looks like Christ alone. Thank you for the truth we speak, soft yet strong, both bold and meek. Compassion deep that does not flee when broken hearts need company. Thank you for integrity, words and works in harmony. Open hands that freely give all the gifts you first outlive. You guide our hearts, you lead our way, shape us gently day by day. Thank you for a life like Christ, truth-lit days and darkness sliced. Every step aligned with grace, every breath reflects your faith. Not my strength, not what I bring, but every good you're offering. This is how your love is known, a life that looks like Christ alone. Thank you for a patient pace, calm replies in peaceful space. Listen long before reply, hearing hearts that hurt inside. Thank you for your living word, every line and truth we've heard. Righteous ground on which we stand, truth held firm by your command. Thank you for a thankful heart, grateful songs in every part. For enemy love born of grace, blessing given face to face. Thank you for humility, lifting others joyfully. Mercy poured where few would go, loving those the world says no. Thank you for the small yet said, faithful steps where you have led. Hope-filled words for weary souls. Open homes and open lives, content hearts where freedom thrives. Thank you for a life like Christ, given, kept, and sanctified. Every moment held in strength, every action points to you. All our joy comes straight from you. All obedience born of grace. This is how the world will see a life laid down, lived Christ-like free. Like Christ, by grace alone. Like Christ.